So I was doing some digging as to why my sub just stopped working. I was like, oh, I think I blew the sub. I was about to test the power for this. I was gonna connect the speaker wire to this one to make sure like that this one wasn't blown. And I'm like looking at the terminals and I'm like, okay, terminal action. Bro, if this shit could focus. Bro, this wire is like completely disconnected from the speaker. From the terminal to the speaker, it's just like completely broken. So I'm gonna have to go to Harbor Freight and get some shit so I can resolder that. And hopefully I'll be chilling. I think what I might do is get an extension on it. I was also checking this. But I'm trying to see if maybe I could get like an extension so I can make that wire longer. So I won't run into this issue again, potentially. But yeah, I had also taken this off so I could look at the back there. Make sure that this was all good. It'd be good to go. All right, so we got the soldering iron, and then we got these fucking things. Gonna try to solder the bit. See what we can make happen. This shit was low-key kind of cheap. I also got these because I need these for work. But I got these. Gonna try to see what I can fiddle here, but some fucking shit, yeah. Y'all got a protein max. Oh no. I'm not gonna take my car.
Oh, you're not taking your car? Wow.
No, my tires.
Bro,
my tires aren't gonna last me that far.
Get those. And go and get some new tires today.
Nigga, I already ordered them.
Where are they? Why don't you just go to Walmart and then have them actually put them on when you got them?
Because they don't have them. They're special tires.
Fucking ice. Yo, call ice over here right now.
You should start. I want to go check out those mountains, bro. It's like climb them. No, never know. Oh, dude, I'd be so sick if we found a windmill, bro. We got to bring blankets and shit though to climb while we were there.
Worked. So after a little more touching it, yeah, I got it like decently connected. Honestly, I'm not too confident, but hope for the best. I was already looking on Marketplace for other ones. If this don't work, then I guess I'll just go buy another fucking 10-inch. All right. Time to see if she bumps. We might be cooking. I feel the bass. Let's hope that it cooks. As long as it don't break right away, I'm good. Oh. the song I wanted to play. I need a 12, low key.
It's definitely a lot worse than I remember it being. Holy shit. I don't know if you could like change the speakers, but it's just been sitting in my garage. I don't know anything about like sound systems or anything. I don't know if you could see that. But I have some like power cables, like the stuff that connected to the terminals. Like where is it? It was just big cables that came with it. I still have everything. But yeah.